thina lapha ebesivele sikusebenzisa esakuthola kuvele kukhona bekungamabele, amabele madala njengoba vele imvelo inanzelele kwenye indawo njengoba khona apha esikhona lamhla awusoze ubona amaphani, kangiwaboni ngoba umhlabathi wakhona kawuhambelani lephani. Kodwa-ke kwaba-ke lapha kulapho kwathanda khona amabele, kwathanda khona uphoko, kwathanda inyawuthi, kwaba yikho ukudla kwethu kuhlangene-ke kwathandana lalindawo. Sakufunda-ke lokuthi kulondolozwa njani, sikulungisa njani kuze kuphume isithwala. Kanti-ke njalo izinto ezingathandi izulu eliningi kakhulu, yizinto nje ezivuthwayo, kanti le mikhuhlane yakhona milutshwana. Yikho kuqakatheka kokudla kube yinto esiziqhenya ngayo, kube yikudla okusambulela imbali yethu esiziqhenya ngayo singabantu abansundu, lokudla kwakithi lezinye izinto ezakithi.
Welcome to Magriza Made Me Cook. If it's your first time, please hit that subscribe button. We're all about food and culture. So I'm here in Harare and in preparation for the Good Seed and Food Festival that's happening on the 19th and 28th of September 2025 at the Botanical Gardens. Yeah, like I said, here in Harare. I'm here to cook two dishes that I really love and are part of our culinary heritage here as a country. So I'm going to utilize sorghum. So the festival is looking at the utilization of traditional or indigenous ingredients. So you can also partake there by entering a dish that you love, that you grew up cooking or you still cook, that was like a favorite among your friends, among your family, and you can share that dish. You can take the good food, the Good Seed and Food Festival. So the dishes, the first one, utilizing what's called the Isidlwadlwa, which is a combination of sorghum. Initially it was a combination of sorghum and ox head in Shogo. So this was like a royal dish that was eaten back in the day. So, but for now, we did not find the sorghum. I also like cooking, not the sorghum, sorry, the ox head. So it take us time to cook. So we got the beef brisket. We're looking for goat meat, but we went around the area, we couldn't find goat meat. So I'm going to use the brisket with the sorghum. Then the second dish is what's called Umcaba. It's just a combination of the sorghum, which we're going to ground here, and fermented milk, what we call amasi. So preparation of you cut your steak, your brisket first, and season with oil, season with salt. There is pepper, there's also parsley, there's garlic there. Then when you cut, turn on your stove, add in your oil, then you can stir fry for 10 minutes. Also on the other plate, the sorghum, soaking your sorghum in a bowl in the water so that you can remove any debris there or any unwanted substances. Then boil that sorghum for 35 minutes. Whilst you're cooking the meat, the sorghum is also cooking by the side. So after you stir fry, you add in all the other ingredients. There's garlic, there's onion for texture. If you want, you can also have some stock to add in a bit flavor, but I did not add in stock. It's just as natural as it is. After that, add in the sorghum to the meat and just add in water to have that stock boiling up. Yeah. Then for Umcaba, take in your sorghum, ground your sorghum. When you've ground your sorghum, you just add in the fermented milk to the dish. So these are the two dishes that celebrate the power of sorghum within our country. And I'm super excited also to be the judge at this cook-off that's happening next month, like I said, on the 19th and the 20th of September. Please share your incredible stories using the hashtag the Good Seed and Food Festival. Yeah. So tell me what dish is called nostalgic feeling and that you grew up eating. So these are the dishes that we grew up eating with Magriza, and she was teaching us also the cultural significance of our dishes, but also from a health perspective. We all know the benefits of sorghum. I'm a big fan of sorghum, and there's so diverse dishes on that you can use cooking sorghum. Yeah, short video today, but anyway, thank you for watching. My name is Prince Ndebele. I'll catch you on the next one. Remember, keep the love, keep the mood. Peace. Do you love cooking? Then we are looking for you. Hi, my name is Prince Sivalo, affectionately known as Magriza Made Me Cook, and I'm one of the judges at this year's Good Seed and Food Festival. So we want you to showcase your talent at this year's festival by entering the competition in 3 easy steps. The first one is you need to film a short video of your favorite recipe. The key takeaway there, we need to see you using a traditional or indigenous ingredient. Then secondly, tell us the inspiration about that dish. Then thirdly, post it on social media and tag as many people and use the hashtag the Good Seed and Food Festival. It's happening on the 19th and 20th of September at the Botanical Gardens right here in Harare. Lots of prizes to be won. Let's get cooking and see you at the festival.